Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at the certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige ambitex interior with a dark linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, touchpad or touch wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 26,755 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.